if I should stay or be alone. Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make. And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I'm just waiting for the fire, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Here we go again. What up, guys? Just finished clearing off the car. It's really coming down right now. Luckily, it's just some fluffy snow, but it's pouring down. I'm on my way to work now. I'm in at 9 because they're consolidating staff today, so I'm the only aide working. For those of you who don't know, I work at a physical therapy outpatient center. I'm a rehab aide. So we're headed in now. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, men. I lucked out tremendously having this giant plow just pave the way for me. I got like 20 minutes left in my commute, so hopefully they're with me the majority of the way. Let's go, baby. What's up, guys? Made it to work. It's absolutely brutal out. I said that already, but it's true. I'm glad I made it safe though. Unfortunately, that plow did end up leaving like a few miles later, but the roads weren't too bad on the last half of the drive. But I'm about to head in. Maybe I'll get some clips on my phone, maybe not, we'll see. But I'm curious to see how this shift goes. I don't think there's gonna be many patients today. Alright, what's up, guys? It's about noontime, so I'm taking a quick lunch break. For lunch today, I packed some bison and broccoli. This will be my second time having the bison. The first time I had it was really good, so I might start getting that more. But as you can see outside, it's still coming down a little bit with snow. Shift's been pretty easy today. There's only like 10 patients total for the whole day, so I'll probably get out early. So yeah, I'll see. All right, what's up, guys? So I got out of work early. I'm happy about that. So it was a quick little shift, 9 to 2 and 2:30. And the drive back was kind of okay. The roads were slushy, so it made things difficult. But I did pull into, I don't know if you can see. Oh, you definitely can't see. There we go. Whole Foods. So I'm gonna grab some stuff. I ran out of like my bison, turkey, beef. Need some eggs, broccoli. And speaking of which, you saw I had bison for lunch today. As you guys may have known, I've been listening to Nick Bear's podcast, and he had this guy on who's big into he calls it the carnivore, but it's like a animal-based diet. And I'm so interested and intrigued about it because like they were talking about how seed oils are in basically like everything you eat and how bad it is for the body. It's so inflammatory and it can cause different like autoimmune diseases and cancers and stuff. So trying to eat more like a more whole-based diet. So like having like using tallow as like a cooking fat to like cook your foods instead of like canola oil or vegetable oil, which is bad for you, or just having more like red meats and also like some poultry and eggs just to get like good fats in you, because using that fat as a fuel source as well as some carbs is like awesome for you, and minimizing that seed oil and they called it I think it was the linoleic acid that comes from those oils and those processed foods is so bad for you. So I'm gonna try to eat healthier, digging more and looking more into it. So we'll head into Whole Foods. Alright gang, just got back from Whole Foods. I'll do a little haul for y'all. I'm not going to show you everything because I got a lot, but I told you I've been trying to eat healthier, none of those seed oils and stuff. So these bagels have been huge for me. It's from a local, what they're called, where there's a mill, there's a way. It's a local bagel place, I guess, around here. They had them at Whole Foods. They're so good. Got some eggs, broccoli, of course, and where is it? Dave's bread. Everyone knows Dave's bread. Great bread. 70 calories a slice. Giant bag of cheese for my eggs and tuna. And here's what I wanted to show y'all. I'm a huge ground turkey fan. Got some 85-15 ground beef. Got some healthy fats in there, and of course bison. It's gonna be like a staple now after having it the past 2 days. It's so good. And then got some little like healthy like snacks for after dinner stuff, because I always have to have something sweet. And some fruit in the bag, pineapple, blueberries. And that's pretty much it. Where am I? Oh my god, I haven't played in so long.
Watch out, Corey's coming. See ya. Fuck!
Oh
Fuck! Dude! Wait, what? I got sent?
Oh no! Alright guys, back from the gym. Played a little Smash with the roommates, with the boys. So I'm gonna shower now, cook up some dinner. I'll show you guys what I eat. I'm excited to eat. I'm starving. But yeah, everything in the gym's been feeling alright. Elbows still kind of bothering me here and there, but nothing we can't power through. Still trying to figure out why it hurts and what I can do to help it, but we'll see. And yeah, I'll show you my dinner in a sec. Alright gang, just whipped up some dinner. I'll show you what I got. So, we got the usual broccoli, rice, and ground turkey. Today I added a little spinach for some extra greens, because why not? And maybe because it's getting old soon. But yeah, rest of the night, just pretty much gonna chill, eat this up, got some laundry to do, and then maybe just hang out with the roommates, see what's going on. But I'm gonna end the video there. Appreciate you guys for watching as always, and until next time.